Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and today we are going to be talking about the new launch Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Lipsticks. And I actually went to find the Lakme lip crayons, the Lakme Enrich lip crayons, which are like 175, 185 bucks. So I went to pick up those since they are sold out on Nykaa and Amazon has shipping as usual. So I went to pick up those and surprisingly they were not in stock yet, but I did however find the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Lipsticks. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks, the usual 9 to 5 Lakme 9 to 5 packaging, the rose gold one, and these are the bullets. The packaging is very beautiful and they are not color coordinated, that's the only disadvantage. The formula is very creamy and at the same time it sets to matte in a couple of minutes, and it's powdery matte. It's not semi-matte or velvety matte, unlike the Nykaa bullets or any other bullet formula matte lipsticks. It sets down to a nice powdery matte and it's not drying, so the formula is very smooth and it's very easy to apply, and it has a good selection of colors. There are very nice pinks, browns and reds, and very nice collection for Indian skin tone. Coming to the longevity, they do not last till the end of the day, nor do they last till 5 as the Lakme lipstick bullets are just 9 to 5. But then they do last up to 4 to 5 hours without any eating or drinking your coffee or anything. But they do go through meals. They do like last through meals. I did try it on for like the whole week. I got these on Sunday and today's Friday, so I did try them on the whole week, I think, and I wore it to work just so that I know how long it lasts. Especially when you're out doing things. But if you're eating something or if you're drinking something, they are not transfer proof. They are very much transferable, so it will transfer onto your coffee mug or whatever you're eating or drinking. And they do last through coffee or anything that you drink, or maybe the first meal. I went to work probably around 9:30 or 10 and they did last through breakfast. They did last through like idli, dosa and even waffles. They made it through and the pigmentation was quite good. It did not fade away completely. It did not just leave a little bit of hint. The pigmentation was quite good. But however, after that, when I went through coffee or when I went for lunch, they did fade away. After lunch, there was just a hint of things here and there. It did not fade away in a weird way where the lipstick goes away from the center and rest of it is there. It's not that way. It faded away very evenly, but it did go away after lunch. So that's my experience with the lipsticks. And now moving on to the swatches, I just have 2 shades for you guys. And one is a very beautiful brown shade, it's called Caramel Cut, and the other one is called Vermilion Fired. It's a very beautiful peachy orange, perfect for summers. The brown one, that is Caramel Cut, is a very beautiful everyday shade and you can wear it for office, you can wear it on a daily basis to college, work, anywhere. It's a very beautiful shade. It looks sort of nude on me, but it might look darker or lighter depending on your complexion and skin tone. And the other shade is a very beautiful peachy orange, and the orange one applies a little patchy, as you can see even here. It's a little bit patchy and somehow it applies a little patchy even on my lips, unlike this one. The brown one is very smooth in application. It's just amazing. The formula is really good. I really like the formula and I've enjoyed using this. However, the orange one is a little streaky. And one more thing about the formula is that it's not drying and it's very easy to apply later, but at the same time, if you have very dry lips, it is going to accentuate all the lines and the dry patches. So make sure to scrub your lips or make sure to moisturize your lips before you apply these lipsticks, because after all they're matte lipsticks. So that's all for today's video, guys, and I also have a couple of other new launches which I wanted to swatch, and I'll put up those very soon as well. And if you have any specific product that you want reviewed, then do let me know in the comments below. If you want to watch my previous videos, then you will find the link somewhere here, then make sure to check out those as well. And then make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any videos, and also make sure to follow me on my social media handles so that you're always updated about where I've been shopping and what I've been doing, and we can always stay connected. That's all for today's video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.